Hello YouTube, and welcome back to Multitool School. Today the topic is going to be multi-tools that function as a vice grip. However, it just wouldn't be right not to have another pop quiz. So today's Multitool School pop quiz is on this device. This is a multi-tool that has a little bit different configuration. The way that you open up this tool is to fold one of the handles out like so, and then you flip the other one in the opposite direction, and that gives you your pliers. There are standard knife blades. This is a combo knife blade, and so on in the handle. But the primary difference in this tool is that the handles fold like this. So the pop quiz for today is, what is it? A common hand tool is a device that's called a vice grip. A pair of pliers that has a locking mechanism in it that allows you to clamp down on something and lock it into place. The jaws, the locking on the jaws is adjustable, usually from something like this turning screw here. This pair of vice grips is made by Schrade, and as you can expect, sooner or later some multi-tool engineer or some person looked at a pair of vice grips and thought to themselves, I bet I can put a knife blade in this handle, or some other pocket knife type tools, and that's exactly what they did. This has a nice knife blade. This is a combo blade, partially serrated, partially plain edge. It locks into position with this locking tab back here, and the way you unlock it is to push down on some of these other tools, and that releases this right here so that you can put the knife blade away. Now these tools are going to be used like this. Your pliers are still there, and you're going to be using this knife blade holding the tool like this. It's actually a pretty comfortable grip. It's I guess what you would call ergonomics, good ergonomics. Now the other tools that are in the handle include a saw, a can opener, a standard screwdriver blade, and a Phillips screwdriver blade. So you have about 5 tools here in this handle. Of course, the other handle is taken up with the locking mechanism for the vice grips. So This is a style that is used by different manufacturers. It's a pair of pliers or vice grips that you're going to have in this configuration, and then you're going to find some tools in a handle. A completely different style is from Leatherman. One of their products that they don't make anymore, it's been retired, is the Leatherman Crunch. Now, as you can see, this doesn't look anything like this. A lot of engineering has gone into making this multi-tool look like other Leatherman multi-tools. To turn it into a pair of pliers or vice grips requires you to unfold it, pull the plier head out, and then you clip this together, and now you have your pliers. And you have this screw mechanism back here, just like you did on the Schrade. And this is where you adjust the grip. And that allows you to lock on to something to get a secure grip on it. Like so. So this is the Leatherman Crunch. Now the pliers on it are not needle nose pliers like you get in a lot of the other tools. Quite a difference there. Now the tools that come with the Leatherman Crunch are in one of the handles, and you have a fully serrated blade for your knife blade. Kind of looks like what you get on some of the current Leatherman tools, like the Super Tool 300, that has one of its knife blades is a fully serrated blade. To unlock the tools, here's your common tab on the back, like you see on a lot of your Leatherman tools, that you press to unlock the tool and put it back into place. Now, in addition to the knife blade, you have this Phillips screwdriver. You have a file, a small standard screwdriver, and a medium screwdriver. And the tip of this file blade is such that that would be your large standard screwdriver blade right there. So you have 5 tools in the handle, a fully serrated blade, Phillips screwdriver, and 3 different sizes of the standard screwdriver. And then in addition to that, if you wanted to use it, there's a lanyard ring that you can pull out right there. Now, another thing about this Leatherman Crunch is that if you wanted to use it with some bits, you are able to do so by removing this. If you unscrew this all the way, which takes a little bit to do, you have a bit driver right there for your standard 1/4 inch size bits. So we have 2 different styles of the vice grip hand tool that are multi-tools. The Leatherman Crunch, and this is the Schrade vise grip multi-tool. Good luck with the pop quiz for today. And that's it for now. Thanks for watching.